Hello, welcome to the third lesson in chapter 13.1. Today we're going to look at inverse trig functions and we're going to use them to find angles. Now inverse trig functions, there's inverse sine, inverse cosine, and inverse tangent. Now it looks like each of them have an exponent of -1. But we call it inverse sine, inverse cosine, and inverse tangent. Inverses are used to find the degree measure of an angle. The inverse function will undo a trig function. So they do the opposite operation of trig functions, just like adding and subtracting. Inverse sine and sine undo each other. So in a situation like this, we'd use an inverse sine. So if sine of theta equals 0.5567, if I want to find inverse sine, or if I want to find the angle, what I type in is second sine 0.5567 and hit enter. So 33.8, so theta equals 33.8 degrees. So we know that the angle here has to be 33.8. All right, so or if tangent to theta equals 1.5355, you do second tangent 1.5355, 56.9 about. So 56.9 is what our theta would be. All right, so if we're looking at triangles, now in this case, we're trying to find this angle of a right triangle. So this side here would be the adjacent to that angle, and up here would be our hypotenuse. So to write out our proportion, adjacent over hypotenuse is cosine. So I would write the cosine of theta is equal to 13 over 17. Now to find this angle, I can just go to my trusty calculator and press second cosine. 13 divided by 17, hit enter, and theta is going to be 40, was it 0.1? Yes, 40.1 degrees is our correct answer. Now here, I'm going to give you 3 examples to try out on your own. So I want you to try this one. Pause the video and try to find the value for theta. Hopefully you're finished. This side is the opposite side. This side is the hypotenuse. So we use sine of theta is equal to 5 over 13. So I press second sine, 5 over 13. So theta would be 22.6 degrees. All right. I want you to try this one, see how you do. Pause the video. All right, hopefully you're done. This side is the adjacent side, and this side is the opposite side. Opposite over adjacent is tangent. So tangent of theta is 150 over 100. So I'll bring up my calculator. Second tangent, 150 divided by 100. Enter. Theta is 56.3 degrees. That's 56.3. My calculator ran those my computer ran those together. All right, let's try one more. Pause the video, see how you do. All right, hopefully you're done. This side is opposite. Over here is adjacent. So opposite over adjacent is tangent. Tangent of theta will be 47 over 52. So I do the inverse tangent of 47 divided by 52, and we get an answer of point. Ooh, I put a little too much in there. Let's try that again. Inverse tangent of 47 over 52. That's 42.1 degrees. All right, hopefully that helps you understand how to find angles from a right triangle. Now there will be a worksheet for you. Good luck.